To start a new ElastiCube, you will need to create a schema. A schema is a blueprint which shows where the data sources are coming from, how they are connected, and any steps needed to prepare or cleanse the data before performing analysis. Schemas are created in the ElastiCube Manager, and you can either create one from the Quick Start menu by clicking on New ElastiCube, or from the File menu, again by selecting New ElastiCube File. You'll need to give your schema a name, and once you've given it a name, it'll open up as a canvas where you can then go ahead, add data, and continue to create the blueprint of the relationships, the data sources, and any preparation steps. Over here we have an example of a completed schema. Each of these squares represents a data source, so if I highlight it, I'll be able to see where the data is coming from. And I can see all the fields that are contained within that data source. These lines over here represent the relationships between different data sources, and I can in addition also see additional steps that I'm taking to prepare the data. So over here we have a week field, and if I click on it I can see the expression that's being used to extract the week of year from the date. Schemas can also be saved or opened. Again, from the File menu you can save a schema or open an existing schema. What's important to note is the schema is merely a representation of how the data should be prepared, and it doesn't actually contain any of the data itself. It is just a blueprint.